Hello, everyone. My name is Bill Bither, founder and CEO of MachineMetrics. We are a team of manufacturing and software veterans that came together in 2015 to transform manufacturing. We have found that manufacturing equipment, machines that are worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, operate at less than 30% utilization. The opportunity for improvement in manufacturing is huge. Despite all the innovations in machines, robotics, and automation, manufacturing today is consumed by manual processes that lead to inefficiencies, as evident in our benchmarking report that we published recently. The promise of industrial IoT is to connect your equipment and use data to drive efficiency. Unfortunately, the reality is that most implementations fail, 76% according to Cisco. Equipment in manufacturing is diverse and difficult to connect. Some have connected their machines only to find that the data isn't actionable. Existing IoT platforms are not specialized. Those that have been successful require outside integrators, professional services, and years of custom development and continued maintenance. We know that in order for the digital factory to reach scale, this needs to be easier. That's why we built MachineMetrics to solve this problem, creating manufacturing's first industrial IoT platform for machines. We make it very easy to capture and transform data from machines, and then make that data actionable through increased visibility, predictive analytics, and configurable workflows that automates manufacturing processes. Over the past 5 years, we have connected thousands of machines across hundreds of customers worldwide, specifically in discrete manufacturing industries such as medical, automotive, aerospace and defense, oil and gas, and heavy industry. Our Edge platform can be used to connect to any machine. Data is collected directly from the machine's control for modern equipment, or add sensors to connect to legacy equipment. We automatically transform machine data into standard data structures using our AI-driven transformation engine, so that this data can be scaled across many machines. Data can be collected at high frequencies, allowing data scientists to develop custom predictive algorithms that can be deployed to the edge and managed at scale. Data is streamed into the MachineMetrics IoT cloud infrastructure, designed specifically for machines and the high volume of diagnostic and sensor data that's associated with machines. Operational data is layered on top of machine data to add additional context. Not only do we know the machine's conditions, but if the machine is in setup, down for maintenance, and the part numbers that are being produced. The machine and operational data is directly accessible to software developers and data scientists through APIs, and can be visualized through out-of-the-box applications and custom integrations. Patterns in this data generate insights that initiate actions through no-code configurable workflow triggers. These triggers can send notifications or initiate entirely new processes, including those built into MachineMetrics that are designed to optimize the operation of the machine. Out-of-the-box applications drives value immediately after connecting equipment. Examples of these applications include an operator interface to solicit feedback from operators and present prescriptive instructions during downtime events. Custom factory applications and integrations into other factory systems built by our customers and partners provide additional value from the machine data. Our customers have used MachineMetrics to digitize their factories and improve their operations. Here are some use cases. Monitoring production and displaying data with shop floor dashboards empowers operators to meet their goals. Capacity utilization is increased by knowing where the bottlenecks are. Benchmarking allows our customers to make more informed equipment purchasing decisions. Monitoring cycle times and updating the ERP improves quoting accuracy. Our deep domain knowledge at MachineMetrics enables us to collect diagnostic data and alarms directly from the machine's controls to help maintenance teams identify root cause for failure. Workflows can be configured to alert operators and maintenance personnel when attention is required, for example, when a critical alarm is fired. This data can be used to develop custom analytic solutions. For example, we work with machine builders to enable them to remotely provide service to their machines. Very experienced operators can tell when a machine is starting to fail just by listening to it. This is more of an art, not a science. Many of these skilled workers are retiring, and along with that, all the tribal knowledge that goes with them. Machine data contains patterns that indicate health and failure conditions that a human would not normally see when looking at the data. When the data is collected at very high frequency and analyzed, these patterns can be discovered and algorithms developed to predict failure. MachineMetrics has made it simple to collect and transform this high-frequency data and make it available to data scientists so that these predictions can be developed and deployed at scale. Advanced analytics of the machine data can lead to efficiencies and automations that were never before possible. Existing manual processes can be optimized and automated with configurable workflows. Factory workers in completely different locations can be notified in real time when certain conditions occur, such as a machine that requires loading new material. Prescriptions can be delivered to operators at the precise moment that action is required. This digitization is what's required for the digital factory, understandable data that leads to automation. Our customers experience dramatic increases in their machine utilization and productivity. Fastenal is a customer who started monitoring their machines at a single plant and has expanded into multiple plants. The increased visibility and workflows enabled them to boost their production by 20%, with a return on investment in just weeks. The MachineMetrics platform has already helped hundreds of manufacturers adopt Industry 4.0, digitize their operations, and scale their businesses. And we're just getting started. Please reach out to me directly if you have any questions. Thank you.